Hey there! Are you concerned about hidden threats compromising your files? Introducing the WardenShield MS9 Malware Scanner, your ultimate defense against malicious content. With support for a wide range of file types, including PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, images, and zip archives, the MS9 Malware Scanner makes it easy to keep your data safe. Our advanced detection technology identifies and highlights potentially harmful content such as suspicious links, hidden scripts, and malicious code. See exactly what threats are detected, with detailed reports that provide all the information you need to take action. Whether you're an individual looking to protect personal data or a business safeguarding critical information, MS9 Malware Scanner is designed for you. User-friendly and efficient, our tool makes scanning and protecting your files as simple as a few clicks. Don't leave your security to chance. With MS9 Malware Scanner, you can trust that your files are thoroughly checked and secure. Get your quote for WardenShield MS9 Malware Scanner today and live malware-free.